it's Ole Barry, and I'm over at El Puerto going to pick up some fish for the weekend and probably have some company over. But anyway, how nice is that to be able to get fresh fish for a few dollars a pound? I think I'm going to pick up some Mahi Mahi and actually put some kind of lemon butter sauce on it. We have some company coming up for the weekend, and the guys are just coming in with them right now, so I'll do some filming real quick and we'll go from there. And it's so wonderful to be living in a place that is so out of the way. Everybody leaves you alone. Here comes the fishermen getting ready to unload some fish from the boats coming in. And I'm going to be one of the first to pick up some, and we'll talk to you later. What a great place to be, especially this time of year when there's no humidity. There we have it, man. Fresh schoolie Mahi Mahi. That's on my plate over the next couple of days. Fantastic. Gracias, amigo. And it's just nothing short of paradise. We'll talk to you soon.